Hello everyone. The phonics work that we're going to do this week is all about making different sounds with our voices and using our mouths to make different shapes to make those sounds. Hopefully you had a go last week with the children on the little clip that I sent to do that was on YouTube to do with making voice sounds. Now today it's going to be better because Mrs. Rose and Miss True and Miss You are going to make the sounds for you. So let's have a go. See if you can make the sounds with them. The first one is for Mrs. Rose and it is ooh. And then we've got this, Miss True.
Shh, 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 shh.
And you'll like this, Miss You. Have a go at this, Mrs. Rose.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, don't like these, Miss True. Here we go, Miss You. This is a good one, Mrs. Rose. I like this.
Wee. Wee.
It's quite a tricky one, this, Miss True.
Moo.
There you are, Miss You.
Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock.
And the last one, Mrs. Rose.
Boing, boing.
I hope you've all joined in and had a go at those. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.